All right. Hi, Team Hamlin. Today is Tuesday, December 1st. Yay, we are in December. Hopefully, today is our last day of remote learning, and I'm going to do a quick science introduction for you for lesson 4. So, today we are going to focus on survival characteristics. Okay, to start off, our I can statement is I can identify reasons why certain animals or organisms, like plants, are more likely to survive than others. Our words for lesson 4, pollinate, which is to deposit pollen on a plant to allow the plant to spread its seeds. Normally you have bees that do that. Climate, the typical weather conditions of a given region. Predator, an animal that preys on other animals for food. And then prey, an animal that is hunted or killed for food. So a lion hunts the zebra, lion is the predator, zebra is the prey. To start out, I'm going to show you some flowers. Which flower is more likely to be pollinated, sorry? This flower, number 1, or number 2? Which flower do you think a bee is going to most likely want to pollinate? A flower with nice bright petals and wide open petals, or a flower that looks like it's on its way to dying? If you said flower number 1, you are correct. All right, the bright colors attract the bee in and it pollinates it right there. Flower number 2 would be least likely to get pollinated. Now for lesson 4, you are going to do, and this is on mine, it might be different on yours, you are going to do slides 31, 32, and 33. Okay? You need to think about how and what characteristics help animals and plants survive. So for example, we have a picture of a peacock. All right, there are 2 different peacocks. Which peacock is most likely to attract a mate and why? There are many reasons why animals survive, and that includes their ability to attract a mate for reproduction, ability to find or hunt food, adapting to its environment, and its ability to protect itself from predators. So in this activity, you guys are just going to do 3 slides. You are going to tell me which peacock is more likely to attract a mate and why. So you will double click over here, hit the enter button, and you will say, I think peacock, and you're going to say 1 or 2 here, will attract a mate because, and then you're going to tell me why. Okay? Then you're going to go on to slide 32, where we have some plants. Which plant is less likely to be eaten by a predator? Why? So if you were an animal that ate plants, which one looks easier to eat or maybe nicer to eat? Or one that you would say just looks better overall? You'll double click, hit the enter button. I think plant, and then you're going to say 1 or 2 is less likely to be eaten by a predator because ... All right. And then the slide 33, you're going to do the lions. Which image below is more likely to catch a large prey? All right. Sorry if you can hear Moose. He is being super needy. Okay. Which image is more likely to catch a large prey? A whole pack of lions or a pride or just the single lion? Double click. You're going to say, I think image, you're going to say 1 or 2 is more likely to catch a large prey because ... Okay, all of your spelling to answer the beginning part of your question is right here. Okay, I will be looking through your science interactive notebooks to see where you guys are at. And just a little update, I'm going to go over our clues that we have so far. So our clues have been, this has been called a natural disaster. It can be as large as 460 square miles. And then after our fossil one, I did not give you our newest clue. Today, this destruction most often occurs in farming regions in Africa. So the natural disaster that we are learning about in our mystery mostly occurs in farming regions in Africa. All right, so think about these clues. Go ahead and do slides 31, 32, and 33. I will be checking, so make sure you're working hard. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.